One of the things you say is that the poor pay their bills first, the rich pay themselves first.
That's a really tough one, but it makes people kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Because the richest man in Babylon says pay yourself first. But what most people do is they pay their bills first and they never pay themselves anything.
Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like you're never able to get ahead financially? If so, it's time to start practicing the concept of pay yourself first. But what exactly does pay yourself first mean? Essentially, it's the idea of setting aside a portion of your income for yourself before paying any bills or expenses. This could be for short-term goals, like saving for a vacation, or long-term goals, like saving for retirement. The idea behind pay yourself first is that you prioritize your own financial well-being before anyone else's. It's a way to ensure that you're not constantly living paycheck to paycheck and that you're actively working towards your financial goals. One of the key benefits of pay yourself first is that it helps you build a savings cushion. This can provide a sense of security and peace of mind, knowing that you have a safety net in case of an emergency. But pay yourself first isn't just about saving money. It's also about investing in yourself and your future. By setting aside money for your own goals, you're investing in your own personal and financial growth. So, how do you get started with pay yourself first? Here are a few tips. 1. Determine how much you can afford to set aside each month. It's important to find a balance between saving and spending, so be realistic about what you can afford. 2. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. This way, you don't have to remember to manually transfer money each month. 3. Make it a habit. Pay yourself first should be a consistent practice, not just a one-time thing. 4. Start small and gradually increase. If you're new to pay yourself first, it might be overwhelming to set aside a large portion of your income right away. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it over time as you get more comfortable with the practice. 5. Make a plan for your money. Decide in advance what you'll do with the money you set aside for yourself. This could be saving for a specific goal, investing in a retirement account, or even treating yourself to something you've been wanting. Having a plan can help you stay motivated and focused. 6. Consider consulting with a financial advisor. A financial advisor can help you create a customized plan for saving and investing your money based on your specific goals and circumstances. They can also help you understand the different options available to you and which ones might be best for you. 7. Don't be too hard on yourself. Paying yourself first is a great habit to have, but it's okay if you can't set aside as much money as you'd like right away. It's a process and it takes time to build up your savings. Just be consistent and make it a priority, and you'll see progress over time. 8. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. This can help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards your financial goals. For example, a SMART goal might be, I will save $500 per month for the next 6 months to pay for a down payment on a house. 9. Keep track of your progress. Whether it's through a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or a simple pen and paper, it's important to track your spending and saving so you can see how far you've come and what areas you might need to adjust. 10. Be mindful of your spending habits. Paying yourself first doesn't mean you can't enjoy your money, but it's important to be conscious of your spending and make sure you're not overdoing it. Look for opportunities to cut unnecessary expenses and make smart financial decisions. 11. Don't be afraid to seek help. If you're struggling to get a handle on your finances or are having trouble reaching your goals, don't be afraid to seek out the help of a financial advisor or professional. They can provide you with the tools and guidance you need to get back on track. 12. Practice gratitude. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life and lose sight of the things we already have. But practicing gratitude can help you shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have, which can be especially helpful when it comes to managing your finances. 13. Find ways to increase your income. Paying yourself first is a great way to save and invest, but increasing your income can also help you reach your financial goals faster. Look for ways to earn more money through a side hustle, negotiating a raise, or finding a higher-paying job. 14. Don't compare yourself to others. It's natural to compare ourselves to others, but when it comes to finances, it's important to remember that everyone's circumstances are different. Don't get discouraged if you're not able to save as much as someone else, or if your financial goals are different. Focus on your own progress and what works for you. 15. Remember that small changes can make a big difference. Paying yourself first doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing approach. Even small changes, like packing your lunch instead of eating out or canceling a subscription you don't use, can add up over time and help you reach your financial goals. 16. Look for ways to save on your bills. One way to free up more money to pay yourself first is to look for ways to save on your monthly bills. This could include negotiating with your cable or internet provider, switching to a cheaper cell phone plan, or shopping around for a better rate on your car or home insurance. 17. Don't let unexpected expenses derail your progress. Emergencies and unexpected expenses are a fact of life, but they don't have to completely derail your financial plans. By building up a solid savings cushion through Pay Yourself First, you'll be better equipped to handle unexpected expenses when they come up. 18. Don't be too rigid. While it's important to have a plan and stick to it, it's also important to be flexible and adapt as needed. Don't be afraid to make changes to your budget or financial goals if you realize they're not realistic or if your circumstances change. 19. Remember that your financial journey is ongoing. Paying yourself first is a practice that you'll work on throughout your life. Don't get discouraged if you don't reach your financial goals overnight. It takes time, patience, and discipline, but with consistent effort, you'll be able to achieve your financial goals and build a more secure financial future. Thank you for watching our video on Pay Yourself First and how it can help you achieve financial freedom. We hope you found the information useful and that it gives you some ideas on how to take control of your finances and build a more secure financial future. Remember, the key to Pay Yourself First is to prioritize your own financial well-being and invest in your future. With consistency and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals and build a more secure financial future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave us a comment below. Thanks for watching.